normally to find the surface area of a cube, you would take the side length of the cube, let's call it S for side. You'd square it and then multiply it by 6, since you've got 6 sides to the cube. Now, in this question, though, we're given the surface area in this format. 6 multiplied by c over 2 squared. Okay, so our strategy here will be to try to solve for s, the side length of the cube, in terms of this other variable c. If we can figure that out, well then to get to the perimeter, you would just multiply the side length times 4, or the perimeter of one side of the cube. Okay, well, first we would want to get rid of these brackets here. So this is really 6 multiplied by c squared over 4, or we could simplify that. Well, actually, we'll leave it like that. And that's convenient since we do have a 6 on both sides. They can essentially divide or cancel each other out, which means that s squared is equal to c squared divided by 4. So if our goal here was trying to solve for s, the side length of the cube, in terms of c, well, our final step here would just be to square root everything. And that would give us, let me just move over here, that the side length would be equal to c over 2, since the square root of 4 is just 2. Great, so we know the side length of the cube is c over 2. Now, if we were looking for the perimeter of one side of that cube, we needed to multiply that by 4. So the perimeter would be c over 2 times 4, which would simplify to 2c. And we can see that matches option C here. All right, hope that was helpful, and thanks for choosing JD's Prep.